The construction of megacity Saudi Arabia line has started in Tarbik province of Saudi Arabia. Announced in early 2017, NEOM has repeatedly raised eyebrows for its success as a taxi and flying robot assistant. Drone footage reveals workmen starting the megacity's excavation in Saudi Arabia, which is expected to cost £440 billion. The project, which was unveiled by Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, is a part of the massive NEOM Desert Complex, which will also include a man-made ski resort, 100-mile-long vertical city, a hexagonal floating port city, flying elevators, a diving lane for commuters, as well as robots and artificial intelligence to help its future residents. The video shows an excavator digging a hole in the desert. It is planned to build the city's foundations inside the tunnel. There are also plans to construct an underground transportation system that would cover the entire city. The megacity, which can hold up to 9 million people, was just recently revealed to the public. After the city was displayed, some people questioned whether the workers could actually build the megacity. The video, however, gives the impression that the city is actually being built and that the dream will turn out to be true. Tariq Kadumi, Executive Director for Urban Planning at NEOM, highlighted the line to DZine. He stated that the line would revolutionize our current way of life. Despite some experts' concern regarding the project's practicality and whether or not people will be able to living there, he added that the megacity would be total combined for the duration of its existence. The construction drawings illustrate the future interiors of the linear city, with angular glass structures curving and bending over an artificial river. Trees attached to the modern skyscrapers inside the immense tropical metropolis that resembles a Guardians of the Galaxy set, and will be totally powered by renewable energy. Bin Salman claims that he wants his country to host a construction project that is as well-known and durable as the Egyptian pyramids. The line is a proposal that represents a civilizational revolution that puts humankind first, he remarked at the time. The mirror line will also have parallel 1,600-foot-tall buildings running in parallel with one another, and traverse 75 miles of desert, coastline, and mountainous landscapes. The mirror line's construction may take 50 years, according to engineers, although Prince MBS has stated that he wants it finished by 2030. Due to its length, the structure will be stabilized by pillars to allow for the motion of the earth, and a greater railway line will run below it. If the tower is completed, according to the Wall Street Journal, it will extend from the Gulf of Aqaba, cross a mountainous region, and then continue along the coastline into something like a desert. According to Salman, the goal of the effort was to enable 1 million people to travel 20 minutes from start to finish, and to meet within such a 5-minute walk. The linear village-like constructions include intricate interiors with a shiny gloss, stairs, and residences. 5 million people will be able to live there after the multi-trillion-dollar project is finished, and a high-speed train would run through the structures, according to Wall Street Journal. It will also have a powerboat harbor below the archway of the buildings. The community of millions will be fed by modern agriculture that is integrated into the walls of the shining skyscrapers, and residents will pay a subscription for main meals each day, according to sources. So according to Prince MBS, the buildings would have zero carbon emissions and also be good for the nature. Desert life will be scorching, hot, dusty, and it will include a sports arena inside the mirror line, 1,000 feet above the surface. NEOM, meanwhile, faced criticism for committing human rights violations when it was revealed after tribes had been forcefully removed from the area, and a resident had purportedly been slain by security. Although completion of the project is expected by 2030, Contractors and urban planners are experiencing trouble solving a number of problems. The project was supposed to be finished in 50 years. In addition to figuring out how to deal with animal and bird migration and how the development may affect water movement, planners are having difficulty figuring out whether residents would consider residing in a high-rise structure during the pandemic. Environment experts believe that the mirror line size, height, as well as the mirrored panels of the building could all disrupt migratory bird movements and undermine any environmental benefits associated with the project.